Good morning, my fellow humanoids and clever bunnies. If you notice that somebody or someone too close to you is a socialist, just remind them there is help to get, and you will do your utmost to get them on the track again. It is a sad situation, for sure, to watch people have full-blown socialism. Anyways, we are continuing to level our tanks for fun, of course. Because what else is there? Give them bread and give them acting. Yes, I have been playing a little bit because this morning I am doing what I told you yesterday. I am doing the garage, and while I'm doing the garage, I have my software analyzing some firmware, which is very, very exciting because I can see that some people are posting actually stuff like that on YouTube's. If they can, damn, so can I. So that's something I really like to do, and I like to do it, and I've done it for a while, not just only software on hardware, but just regular software. No more cigarettes, especially if they're made by socialists, because socialists hire socialists, and which often means that whatever you're looking at is not made by a competent person. That's a sad story about socialism as well, especially in the Faroe Islands. Oh my God, they just hire other socialists. Oh, God damn it! We can shoot through houses, by the way. We shall definitely try to outflank them this time. Come on, buddy, you need to save my ass. Killer. Do you think I can escape this hellhole again? I don't think so. But we can always... Oh my God. You know, it was to be expected, but well, we tried. The point is not to try, as Homer Simpson said. Well, we tried to. We definitely like to be on the hill. And fire in this direction for sure. Ah. They are coming for us from the top now. And I need to get out of this hellhole. My God, yes, it was that soccer. Yes, we are losing. So we got these. We shall exchange those with these ones. Yes, these are. No, that was incorrect. We should go to something like this. Something like that, and down to 20 here, and have. I don't know. Let's try that. These are hopefully more. Look at that! I knew it. Where is that little bastard? See if we can do some damage here. He definitely, no, not. I need to try out these bastards. Did absolutely nothing to that mighty arm, but why shoot it else? It's small caliber. Yeah. Anyways. Yeah, pretty exciting about the analysis of firmware. I've been thinking about and working on a full analysis suite for a long time. Of course, not made it all by myself. Of course, standing on the shoulders of giants. No, it's not a goddamn quote from superhero movies. Goddamn, get a life. They have just used it. Everybody knows. Oh, if they knew the children. No, it was not the original. Goddamn man. Nothing original. Well, yeah, what was I bitching about actually? Yes. I was bitching about firmware. Yeah. So in the process of making this EDM machine of mine, because the actual goal is not to build this software. The goal is not to build the firmware analyzer in itself, because that's just a part of like making custom, or one of the fun parts that you can do when you're making custom firmware. And we will. Oh, let's concentrate. I cannot even speak well. Come on, run, baby! Run, 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 run. Run, Forrest. This is one. Yeah. Because I wanted custom stuff. I wanted industrial grade quality and resolutions to cheap off-the-shelf components, basically. And I wanted to see if that is doable, and of course that's doable. So it's just because we have here in Europe we have so many problems with the EU that that is the actual obstacle. Not the actual technology, but when you're building stuff, you need paperwork, and when you have a small company, and you want to make a small, I don't know, small device, small something, and it's a niche, you will never ever become profitable. So you, yeah. Can I think and talk? That's the question. Can I think and talk? That I can shoot that bastard. Come on. Ah! I was just behind this goddamn lot. That's for sure. So, Katoba. He's scouting that cunt. I can't see shit. Where are they at? Goddamn, just don't die, man. Why do I have 52 of those bastards? can't I see him on? Hey, I need to shoot. Of course. He's shooting this way, I would have been dead.
We've captured most of the strategic zones.
34. 10 часов. Дистанция 1000 метров. Огонь! Недолет! Бронебойным готово! Цель подбита! Бронебойным готово!
Just keep it up, and victory will be ours.
Попадание!
God, man.
Танк 10 часов. Дистанция 1200 метров. Недолет! Вижу повреждения. Попадание! Бронебойным готово.
Okay.
Танк 10 часов. Дистанция 950 метров. Недолет. Бронебойным готово. Нас подбили.
Martyr.
Бронебойным готово. Воздух.
We don't need to die here, but we need to die somewhere.
Бронебойным готово.
What the fuck did I not hit the bastard?
Бронебойным готово. Бронебойным. Вперед! Есть вперед! Попадание!
Авиация на подлете.
Т-34! 1 час! Дистанция 900 метров!
And victory will be ours.
Цель уничтожена! Бронебойным готово! Бронебойным готово! Цель уничтожена! Бронебойным готово! Нужна поддержка с воздуха! Задний ход!
I doubt there's anybody left, huh?
Авиация на подлете.
Well, he would have been a gunner. Excellent. Now we got tracks as one of the last stuff. Yay! Go a little bit. Go fast shoes. Look at that. Got a little bit more. So yeah, basically I really hope that I can make a technical video later today. So people can see that I'm not just playing around on the goddamn internets, man. And let's watch our research and perhaps do this first, like to field repair, definitely. Oh, radio communication is also very useful in this. What do I got now? 695 meters. Target, which is basically fine, I think. The maps are not even that big. So we are going to take field repair here. I will take field repair for 500 ton. And tank loader here. We will choose agility. Not tank loader, what the hell am I saying? We're all out of bonus shit, so we need to dig very deep into our skill set and not die too much, because I'm getting pretty poor in currency, just like in real life. So what are we going to do here? We are definitely, I used to hang around here shooting at people here, and now we're going to hang around here and shooting at people here. So plan, check. Success criteria, don't die. Success and will succeed. Probability of success, less than 10%. So we will shall try this one. Well, I need to. Also, you need to position it like across. You need to present yourself like a huge target, and you need to either reverse out and drive fast, reverse into the battle and drive fast out again, or drive fast into the battle and reverse out. Oh, I don't know what's worse. Everything that requires reversing, because I cannot, deflecting the gun so much here. I need to have it like this, yeah. But perhaps. Say hello to your mother. Готово that. But this is, but the considerations, because I am done if I stand still too long and, oh, not enough deflection. Oh my god. Oh, yes. Where are you at? Oh yeah. Thank you. So this is already a economical success, this tank, which is also good. Katova, and we need to again, I lost my great position, I had to move. Oh my god, why couldn't I fire? Was it at the gun bridge? Oh my. Готово. I got rockets.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
He's trying to outflank me, the fuck.
Цель уничтожена!
Thank you. Come again. Cheeky freaky.
Цель подбита! Заряжающий без сознания! Попадание!
Request tech assist.
Бронебойным готово!
Request air support.
Цель уничтожена!
Professional.
Бронебойным готово!
Готово. This is so I'm just missing to shoot can I shoot aircraft with it? That's the question.
Attention to the map.
Красным готово!
Oh.
Keep the pressure on. Victory is close. Another zone captured. We have the advantage.
Ah, come on. Why can't I shoot aircraft with that? I have a time burst on it. Not even shrapnel.
Defend the B point.
Бронебойным готово!
Let's reload here. What I'm doing, I'm not even paying attention. The enemy could have killed me 25 times now. Yes, there was somebody. But they're all dead. All dead.
Forces have captured a zone.
This is me saving money. We have to be lucky. Oh, we got somebody here. There's somebody visiting. We shall. Oh, they did.
A little more effort and victory will be ours.
Ah, too late again for the aircraft. God damn it. Can I take some other aircraft besides? Yes. Yeah. What a cunt. This is a great position to be in this this tank. Look at that, survivor even. I think that's first time I got that. Well. see. Tank rescuer without a miss, of course. Can't be more than 3. Actually, it was 5. Professional. Ah, look at that. Yeah. And I crashed. It was not accounted as a kill in the aircraft. That's excellent. So we're gonna save that replay, of course. I can watch that later with a fine Pepsi Max. We got that. And I think we need the tires more than anything else that we got. Then we use PPE. That also, we got that also. Then, of course, we will take this. Then we'll have rangefinder, which will be bloody nice. And that is, why is that good actually? Because, is it better for aircraft also? So I can set the fuse better or what? Or what? We can see that later. Definitely we're gonna check out this. We got some crew skill. Oh, tank. Range finding and targeting. Thank you very much. But no loader. But you know, expert. We're definitely gonna buy that for this tank. This is nice. And we're going to take targeting for 500 gem. Shall we play? Or just need to. There's so many API testing guide, clip back toy, performance, OBS. There you are. So just gonna take a little peek at my software. How it's doing. It is currently running, and yes. What do I use? I use something like that. Okay, excellent. Looks like it's a couple of hours more of analysis. Oh, baby girl is going to gymnastics. Like making plugins for Visual Code. I really like Visual Code. No, it's not Visual Code. Visual Studio. Due to the easiness of it. Bloody easy. Easy to make everything. Easy to make plugins. Easy to make your own everything to it. Just easy. Faster. You know, nerdier is not better. No. Nerdier is slower to the finished product. Faster is better. Faster gets you to the finished product. Doesn't need to work for everything. It needs to work for your purpose. Actually, got the same problem at work now. People are overthinking. People are specifying stuff that should work for every goddamn instant of something, and then you are into hurt in development cost. And let's try this one again. And of course time, but what is more expensive? That is definitely, it was definitely time if you pay people to do it. If you're making it yourself, probably not that bad. Okay.
Механик водитель к бою готов. Наводчик к бою готов. Заряжающий к бою готов.
And we are going We are going this direction here. Oh my god, yes. What the hell am I doing actually? I thought I was on the opposite side. Mommy! This is not good for little me. Poor little me. Started out very badly. I vulnerable as like a furry on a biker convention. Oh my god. Sweet lord. Get a couple of kills in before I die.
500 метров! Цель уничтожена! Танк! 10 часов! Дистанция 750 метров! Бронебойным готово! Т-34! 10 часов! Дистанция 750 метров! Попадание! Танк! 10 часов! Дистанция
Sweet lord, come on.
бронебойным готово! Танк! 10 часов! Дистанция 700 метров! Нас подбили!
You can see. Oh my god, where? We need to focus. Get this kill.
Перехват без сознания!
No. Yes, bastard. It was the same. Look at that. But your machine gunner was definitely out of action. Hey. Okay. Let's see if we can use this bastard here against the that killer of me. So now we got that high-speed armored shit loaded. Very nice, because I also wanted my English to be more fluent, and definitely this is something. Oh, what's going on here? People are shooting to this side. We shall be ready to fire anything that moves. And we got America. We got. I cannot break through. I learned from last time. I cannot penetrate this cunt. Oh my god! I'm dead. Oh my god, run away! Run! Hide! No! Bastard! Yes, we're losing. Of course we're losing, god damn it. Look at that, already wasted 2 of my tanks. And we got here, and we shall definitely throw something. Lay down some covering fire, Bobby. Oh, just beside. Yes, he shot. Tatova. My god! Harder than... What? Harder than what? Nothing clever to say. Harder than Chuck Norris's corn. Yes. So anyways, what a failure. I started out bad. Yes, I know. Didn't know where it was at. Got lost instantly. So, what are we doing here? False. And while we are doing that, perhaps we're just gonna quickly change again here. While we're waiting. Oh my god, yes. Let's see here if I need to watch something. Do and watch. Testing is going good. And stuff. So we are good to go again. Pew. This is not a Yak 10 game, I think, but we are gonna play it anyway. Yak stands for you are great, by the way.
Механик-водитель, к бою готов. Наводчик к бою готов. Заряжающий к бою готов.
Or is that a lie? Can't remember. And of course we need to have our sights too. And we need to be hiding. Let's go. We're gonna have some deflection. It's not great. We need to be on the downward slope as well. That's oh, look at that! Look at that! What a cunt! Oh, we got.
Э-34, 11 часов. Дистанция
Is
500 метров.
okay. This is shit. This is it. What the hell am I doing? Huh? Oh, look at that! Who's killing me? He-Man, get out of the way, you beautiful, big, beautiful bastard! Oh my God, battery low.
11 часов.
Again,
450 метров.
we will just we shall cover this side because reversing is our main thing here.
Бронебойным готово.
I shall take care of our flank dudes. So after 2 days of gaming, finally this, or not finally, but very good headset of mine gave up.
Дистанция 400 метров.
Oh my God.
500 метров. Вперед. Бронебойным готово. Попадание. Бронебойным готово.
You goddamn Katova, that's goddamn right.
2 часа. Дистанция 450 метров. Попадание. Бронебойным готово. Т-34. 2 часа. Дистанция 450 метров.
Enemies getting closer to victory.
Цель уничтожена. 2 часа. Дистанция 500 метров. Цель уничтожена.
I can't I repair him.
Готово. Отбили. Горит.
Bastard!
Вижу повреждения. Двигатель горит.
Bernstein. That was Bernstein the Great. Grandfather of Bernstein the Noob. So, what are we going to do? This is shit, but we're gonna take it anyways. Because we need to level the bastard so we can get
Внимание! Воздух!
oh, got the bastards. What is it? Oh, wait. Thank you.
Нужна поддержка с воздуха.
Bastard. So,
Авиация на подлете.
what are we going for? We got heavy tank, definitely. Oh my God. goddamn heavy tank again. Can't even scratch his paint with this. Oh my god, get that. Yes. Why is it so difficult to shoot down the aircraft with this? This is it's unbelievable. Did it go away? 5. Yes. That was not good. Nicht gut, yeah. Well, excellent map. Nothing to complain about. Should we take out our Should we take out our trusted yak? There's a check here for you. For anybody who's watched the original Clarkson. Готово, come on.
Заряжающий бой готов.
Yes. Oh, this map. Perhaps something to complain about. Everything is about B. Mass casualties gonna be at B.
Attention to the designated grid square.
Yes. And I need to be either at C or, you know, not at C because we need to shoot from a distance. I need to pick off the shit that's going for B from the red from the socialists, which gives me plenty of motivation.
Allied forces
So-
have captured a zone. Enemy forces have captured a zone.
But this is the problem here, huh? Because what am I going to do here? Because of the
We have
No.
multiple zones.
Танк 4 часа. Дистанция 1000 метров. Танк 4 часа. Дистанция 850 метров. Недолет. Цель подбита. Танк 4 часа. Дистанция 1000 метров. Перелет.
he is trying to pick up our guys. He's take the archers, huh?
Перелет.
I will categorize that. Oh,
Бронебойным готово.
Готово.
We're ahead of the enemy.
Перелет.
Thank you very much.
4 часа. Дистанция 1100 метров. Цель уничтожена. Танк 4 часа. Дистанция 1100 метров. Вперед! Танк 4 часа. Дистанция 1100 метров. Вперед! Вижу повреждения.
God damn it. I ain't watching my deflection. I'm just watching my stupid little circle. I'm not deflecting enough. Well, that was lucky. Oh my god. What a cunt. Poor little me. Helpless little me.
13 часов. Дистанция 500 метров. Ходовая вышла из строя.
Oh, bastard.
Бронебойным готово! Есть вперед! Наводчик контужен.
So this is gonna take them by surprise, because he will say like, how stupid is that guy? I will say, plenty stupid.
Бронебойным готово! Недолет.
Attack the B point.
Бронебойным готово! Нас подбили!
People are shooting at me, mummy. Battery level is low. No, this is gonna be the last battle then. Let's take this one. I will like the fuses. Definitely like the fuses. Let's see.
Танк! Один час! Дистанция 650 метров! Недолет! Бронебойным готово! Танк! 2 часа! Дистанция 700 метров! Т-34! 2 часа! Дистанция 650 метров! Влево! Бронебойным готово! Бронебойным готово!
You can't just say and have a stationary battle, dudes, and do that.
Часов! Дистанция 550 метров! Попадание! Цель уничтожена! Наш должок! Танк! 11 часов! Дистанция 600 метров! Т-34! 11 часов! Дистанция 550 метров! Недолет! Танк! 11 часов! Дистанция 550 метров!
After Master Daddy Dark. Oh, cover me harder, Daddy. Free. Oh no, definitely not. What the hell am I doing? And that was it. I was bragging about how light my tank was while I had no ammo. Bullshit.
Воздух! Самолет! 12 часов! Дистанция 1100 метров! Артиллерия! Координаты! Цель! 6! Уничтожить! Враг! Враг! Принял! Артиллерия! Координаты! Цель! 6! Уничтожить! Враг! Враг! Принял! Артиллерия! Координаты! 3 часа! Дистанция 450 метров! 11 часов! Дистанция 750 метров! Т-34! 11 часов! Дистанция 700 метров! Цель подбита! Танк! 11 часов! Дистанция 700 метров! Огонь! Вижу повреждения! Бронебойным готово! Танк!
Greedy bastard.
11 часов! Дистанция 650 метров! Вижу повреждения! Т-34!
Oh my god. Mummy.
650 метров! Нас подбили! Повреждения!
If we don't do something fast, the enemy will win.
So true, so true. Yes. That's a major mistake because we want to map a little bit bigger so we can have a couple of hills that we can defend our spawn with. That would be an awesome addition. So we got 500 there. We got new pew pews, new guns, new bullets. And it gives me, it is a ballistic cap, which is anti-personnel. I think. Don't hang me on it. And we got that and that and that. And let's have the suspension. So we got fire on the move, which we got the elevation mechanism. That's fine. We will have boom, boom, boom. We got 123, so we can get that suspension thing going. Also, probably nice. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. What? 31 probably will give me some. Give me some. Oh my god, I forgot. Battery level low on my headset. And I will talk to you later. So I probably, yeah, talk to you later. I will just start another stream later. Use some more green energy. We will have